Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cloud computing? In today's video, we will take you on a journey through the fundamentals of the Google Cloud Platform. Make sure to subscribe, and here we go.
Imagine having the ability to access your data, applications, and resources from anywhere in the world. That's the power of cloud computing. And Google Cloud Platform is at the forefront of this technological revolution. Getting started with Google Cloud Platform is easier than you think.
Whether it's computing, data analysis, or app deployment, Google Cloud Platform offers a wide array of core services that cater to your specific needs. One of the standout features of GCP is its scalability. As your business grows, you can effortlessly scale your resources up or down, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Security is paramount in the digital age, and Google Cloud Platform takes it seriously. With advanced security measures and compliance certifications, your data remains safe and sound.
Congratulations! You have just scratched the surface of what Google Cloud Platform can do for you. It's time to embark on your cloud journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay tuned for our next video.